Hey, so a previous video that we had was actually changing out or swapping the air filter. This video is going to concentrate on how to properly clean an air filter. So the next change, you have a clean air filter ready to put into your GreenFeed. We're going to describe two methods in this video. The first method we're going to describe is using compressed air. So this would be representative of a dirty filter, which it's one that we use in the shop. So it's pretty dirty. You can see the dirt in these fins. So we're going to try to dislodge any of the dirt and debris that are in between these fins and in this filter material. So always when you clean a filter, it's inside out. We don't want debris going into our filter. So right now I'm just using compressed air between 30 and 40 psi, and I'm simply going to work my way all the way around the filter, blowing as much debris that I can out of it. Now, if this method doesn't get the amount of dirt and debris that's impacted in the filter out, we can go to the next step, which is going to be using water. We're going to use pressurized water to filter out all the contaminants. Okay, now the second step, or the first step, if you don't have compressed air, this is another good method to remove all the dirt and debris out of your filter. If you did use compressed air for the first round of trying to get all that removed from the filter and it didn't quite get everything out, that's okay. Now we're going to use a water hose. You can see in this filter that we still have some dirt in here. It's darker in color. The filter material in this particular filter is blue, so that's what we're trying to achieve. We're trying to achieve a uniform color that will show that all the dirt has been removed from the filter. We recommend just using a regular garden hose. Please don't use a high pressure pressure washer or something like that, because you can actually damage the filter material within here. This mesh is actually a metal mesh, but inside is the filter material, and you definitely don't want to use high pressure water because that could damage the material inside. So we're going to do just like we did with the compressed air. We're going to go inside the filter out, trying to blow all the debris and dirt. And so find a good location that'll collect the water. Outside, we happen to be inside in a industrial sink cleaning area. So I'm just going to start on one side and work my way around. And I am using warm water to do this. I'm just going to work it back and forth, trying to remove all that debris. And we can already see that a lot is blue now, so it's getting rid of all that dirt. So I'm just going to work my way around. Be patient with it. It's going to take a few minutes to properly clean it out. It actually looks pretty good. I'm going to try to get up here a little bit better. Okay, so now we're getting a good uniform color and we're getting all that out. It's okay if you use a lighter pressure. I'm just going to kind of get anything off. I'm not trying to force it back through. I'm just trying to rinse off any big particles that might still be on the outside. Okay, so now we have a clean filter. These filters do not require any oiling. The best thing to do now is to tip it upside down so everything can drain out. If it's nice outside, put it outside and let the sun and air dry everything out. And obviously don't install this into your GreenFeed until it's completely 100% dry. Wait at least 24 hours for this to dry out before you install it on the GreenFeed.